if you wanted to become a teacher, so there are things which you need to work on. So we'll see in this video what are those things. So first of all, teaching notes. So without teaching notes, never imagine you can go to a classroom. Okay, so teaching notes is compulsory and it is mandatory. It helps you to prepare in a better way, and you can plan so many activities, and children can also understand it in an easy way. Now next thing is also lesson plan, like within how many minutes you are going to explain. For suppose if the class is for 40 minutes, you have to plan activity and you have to take revision, you have to ask some interaction questions with the children. So like this you have to plan it. Okay, now next one is worksheets after each and every topic, or else at least after the lesson. Okay, so if you can give worksheets to the children, it will help them to learn in a better way and the outcome will be beautiful. Next thing is preparing for question papers, that is for periodic test. In some schools it may be, if it is SSC board, we can consider this as unit test and all that, final examinations, half yearly examinations. Okay, so question papers are very very important to assess the students. Now next one is MLL papers. Okay, this is like baseline test for the children. Okay, some bridge kind of course, how well they remember and all that. Next thing is corrections of notebooks or textbooks. You have to correct the notebooks and textbooks of the children's. Okay, next one is, if you are a class teacher, for suppose if you are a class teacher for so and so grade, you have to take care of their cupboards, whether they are whether they are carrying the books or not. And subject enrichment activity, SES stands for, you have to plan some subject enrichment activities. So this you can link with the lesson plan and teaching notes. Okay, and one more thing is teaching notes also, if you wanted to give some additional topics, you can also include it in your teaching notes, like conducting quiz, flipped class. Okay, those kind of things. Next one is portfolio. This is also some kind of activity. You have to enter the marks of children's, okay, during PTs, half yearly and all that. Next one is sending homeworks. If you're using any kind of application, you can send homeworks. This is also compulsory. Next, quality circles or peer group learning. Okay, peer group learns, this also helps the children. Next one is remedial classes. If any child is lagging in any subject, special focus need to be there. So in that case, remedial classes will help. SOF, this is for Olympiad examination. Nowadays, especially IB and CBSE schools opt for this, so this is compulsory. So SOF, doubt clarification. Some weekly dictation or spell bee competitions within the school, or else if there is any some competitions which will be conducted in the school, or else apart from the school, if it is outside also, we can encourage children also. So this will develop some kind of competitive spirit among them. Now math dictation or some best mathematician dictation, which will help children to imagine, and oral reading also will help them. Next one is award lists. If there is any competitions conducted in the school, so there should be some appreciation to the students, so award list will help. And also writing the marks in a list of an Excel sheet or else in a paper, so it will be helpful for further reference. Next one is marking the attendance within the register, and also if you are using any kind of application for the school, so you have to mark their sending homeworks. Apart from all this, being always available to the children, emotional support is also very very important. Nowadays, today's children, Gen Z children, needs emotional support. And okay, and also not to pamper them too much too, because they will get it as a habituate. We have to be strict and we have to be pampered also sometime. Okay, we have to pamper them sometimes and we have to be strict with them. So these are all the things which you have to plan when you want to become a teacher. Okay, so most of us will think that, acha, teacher's job, what is there in teacher's job, acha, we can do it easily, teacher's life is so easy. Okay, it is not that easy. Wherever you go, these works will be there. I'm not specifically saying about one school, but wherever you go, all these works are included. Okay, and we have to learn all these skills. It helps us to grow. Okay, thank you, see you soon.